Domestic violence. Domestic violence isn't a fun topic. It's not a happy topic, but it's something that we deal with at this law firm all the time. So, I have Attorney Benitez with me. Attorney Benitez, what is the very base level domestic violence charge?
In the state of Indiana, the basic charge is a misdemeanor. With maximum penalty is a year in jail for a domestic charge. If I were to just see you in the street and were to push you, that's just a regular battery. That's a B misdemeanor. Max penalty, 180 days.
So domestic violence would take a little bit different approach, correct?
Yes, it's a little bit more serious too.
Okay.
That's why.
What makes the charge domestic violence as opposed to a battery?
If you look at the statute, there's different things. If you're in a relationship with somebody, so if you and your significant other, you and your girlfriend or boyfriend, you and your baby mama, you and your wife, you and your girlfriend, you have to have some sort of relationship there to make a domestic violence case.
So, rude, insolent, touching, that makes it a domestic violence charge with some sort of a relationship like you talked about.
Yes, it does.
Now, does it stop there? The worst domestic violence can be is a misdemeanor?
No, and actually that's the lowest part. From there, it gets more serious and more serious.
So, after an A misdemeanor, the next level crime, if there are levels, is a level 6. How does domestic violence charge raise to level 6 felony?
It can raise by different ways. One that we see more common is whenever there is a child present, either at the house or there physically. That makes it a felony 6. Another thing is when there's moderate bodily injury. Another scenario that we also see is whenever somebody has committed a domestic violence in the past against a different victim. It also starts there at a felony 6.
So, and then, moderate bodily injury, this is a somewhat recent creation of the legislature, and it's all over the place. Until it was created, there was either injury or there was serious bodily injury. Serious bodily injury, unconscious, or you're really messed up. This moderate, it seems to be the position right now that is whatever the prosecutor wants it to be. That hurt, but it hurt really bad. Moderate bodily injury, level 6. That is, it's very easy to hit that moderate bodily injury stage. Very, very easy. So don't commit domestic battery, period. But allegations of this moderate get up there really, really quickly. Okay, so we're at level 6. Is that it? Is that the end?
No, there isn't. If you use a weapon, it can become a felony 5. And then also, if you batter a pregnant person, it can also become a felony 5. So these are very serious charges. Obviously, a felony 5 is very serious. You're looking at a maximum penalty of 6 years in jail.
And so he's exactly correct. And one other thing too, if you commit domestic violence on an individual, even if it's an A misdemeanor, and then some point in time later, you do another incident or alleged to have done another incident of domestic violence on that same victim, even if there's no injury, even if there's no kids present, it jumps to the level 5. Level 5 is super scary because you are talking about serious time in jail. Now, you mentioned that use a weapon, and that can get you to level 5 as well. I will say, if you use a weapon, the prosecutor's office will try to find different charges to bad with a deadly weapon. So they'll try to throw more things at you. So any type of any crime period where there's a weapon involved automatically jumps up. Recent Indiana Court of Appeals decisions have said that even a pellet gun that was not functional was a deadly weapon. So they're interpreting these statutes very, very broadly. And then once you involve a weapon, things get extremely serious, extremely fast. And so level 5 can be the end of domestic violence, but attempt crimes, battery with a deadly weapon, aggravated battery, those get up very, very serious. And God forbid if there's serious bodily injury with a weapon, it can get very serious very fast. Any allegation, weapon, domestic violence is serious. Attorney Benitez, you've done an excellent job kind of guiding us through the range of these. Any parting words?
No, just remember, always plead the 5th.